Working on Source Filmmaker animations and have a DMX session file? These contain animation projects using Valve's Source engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Source Filmmaker session files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep DMX file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A DMX file, or Data Model Exchange File, is used by Valve's Source engine, primarily in Source Filmmaker, SFM. It stores 3D model data, animations, lighting, and other scene elements. Users in the SFM community create and share DMX files to build animated movies and shorts using game assets. The DMX format is a flexible key-value-based binary or text format, key values 2. It was designed to be a more extensible and robust replacement for the older SMD, StudiomdlData, format. Its structure allows for storing arbitrary data, making it ideal for complex scenes with models, skeletal animations, and session data. Your primary troubleshooting tool for DMX should be the specialized Source Filmmaker by Valve Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows offers limited rendering ability for these files, so in-depth inspection requires 3D modeling tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking the DMX file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Source Filmmaker if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If your DMX file still refuses to open, stay calm. This particular DMX file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening in Source Filmmaker. Install Source Filmmaker free from Steam, developed by Valve for creating Source engine animations. Launch SFM and use File then Open Session to load DMX files. The application restores the complete animation project ready for continued editing, rendering, or sharing within the Source Filmmaker community workflow. Next, locating required assets. DMX files reference game models, textures, and assets that must be available in your SFM installation. Install referenced games like Team Fortress 2, or download asset packs from the SFM workshop. Missing assets prevent proper session loading, requiring acquisition of original game content for project completion. Finally, rendering final output. Within Source Filmmaker, use the render function to export your animation to video formats like image sequences or AVI. Configure rendering settings including resolution, frame rate, and quality before initiating render. The output produces shareable videos suitable for upload to YouTube or other video platforms for community sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.